Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your, as promised, daily update on Solana. I already said this yesterday, but if you missed it, I think I'll be doing daily updates on Solana again. I used to cover it like every other day or every 3 days. But right now that Solana against Bitcoin broke out, I think it's worth it again to keep an eye on this. We also have Solana breakpoints coming relatively soon. I'm not sure when that actually. I looked it up before. I'm not sure when Solana breakpoint is again. It's actually right now. I should have known that. Yeah, I did see some commercials from Solana, but that's going on right now. So that's still interesting. But most interesting for me right now for Solana, and we extensively talked about that yesterday, are the technicals. All right, I think technically Solana has finally really bounced from this major support level at 125. It looks like that's going to hold. Obviously, I mean, right now we've gained a ton of momentum as well, so that's great. I think we're holding our levels relatively well here as well. I mean, Bitcoin is in the end at a resistance level here. Excuse me, is at a resistance level here. So that's pushing down Solana as well. But what we're seeing, and that's also I think the most important part for Solana right now. What we're seeing is that Solana against Bitcoin is holding up well. We broke this downtrend we were in, and it seems to me that this might not instantly turn into an uptrend, so that Solana really starts outperforming against Bitcoin, because the fundamentals of Solana right now. Well, we looked at it yesterday, but the fundamentals for Solana right now, I think, are not good enough to really get a massive rally here. But I do think this breakout against Bitcoin is real and is legit, and also will create sustained bullish momentum. So that's great, fundamentally at least, even though the statistics maybe are still lagging a bit. But that's also great if you look at the market structure here for Solana, right? The main market structure I've observed with Solana is a consolidating one. Basically, since we topped out in March, and we spiked up to $200, and we made some sort of a double top there. Basically, since then, the majority of the time we have consolidated between 163 and 120. So now what has happened is we got a solid support touch from 120. We got a bullish breakout. We got confirmation of momentum. That's also what I showed you yesterday. If you look at the momentum right now for Solana, it's weekend, so there's probably some de-risking going on, but that has increased a lot as well. At least over the course of 2 days ago, and then yesterday yesterday we also got some shorts coming in. But all right, so that whole combination of this technical confirmation and the relative strength of Solana against Bitcoin, for me, is enough to assume we are at least going up to the top of the range, right? So when we're looking at Solana right now, I do think some sort of a further pullback is to be expected, or at least you should be prepared for that. But when we're looking at a level like 142 and 140, with the support we have there, maybe a drop down to 137, right? So something like that. But with the support we have there, in combination with the other things we talked about, I do think it's most likely that from there we'll be able to get up to the top of the range. And then when we hit the top of the range, we'll talk about whether we can break above that. My thoughts for now are no. All right, like I said, the other time we broke out here in July, we still had a very strong pump.fun, for example. So that inflated the Solana network metrics by a ton. So then the fundamentals were much stronger, excuse me. But short term, I still think after that pullback, we can get there. And then there, I'll keep you updated, and we'll talk about what the possibilities are. I mean, if Bitcoin is very bullish, obviously Solana is going to break 162 as well. But that's something we'll see by then. For now, I think that's what you need to know, at least for this weekend, and for now, and kind of for the start of next week. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.